Bamwe Memba b'ekigombe eki nibagira ngu bakashitama kandi bikirizana bataha akakiiko ka vetting committee konka bamwe Members ba cooperative Abeebembezi bayo bashitama n'aba gavumenti kandi byona ebi bateekateekire babihindura. Aba nibongera nibagira ngu bwanyuma y'okubingwa omu rukiiko rumwe rwabiireho bashazire kutambura kuza aha mbuga nkuru z'egomborora ya Kigorobya ahi bagambirwe ngu bamwe omu Members baabo tibarikwikirizibwa.
Amiyembe agombora abukuba umukwenda izire kuruga ministry atubingire mutebe mu meeting egiya yesere batu bayihure kabaridio niyita abantu bona ba members ba Kitana growers katandika kuno rwenda 15 nambe kaba 15 na mwenda yaguraga mwali ne pamba yaguraga umwana pamba kandi katandika basajja bakuru bakira bwingi bakuru bunka nyoba nkomeri mangaze mu myaka yenkaga mpokere member mutebeki niya committee member omuto yasemba yuga. That's why I'm still alive, I think.
Cedric Mwijakubi wagire omu cooperative egi omu myaka ya 1996 yayoreka kushoberwa ahabwa Abeebembezi bayo arikugira ngu aba barigire no kuguzita kwingana acres 3 kandi binene enteekateeka ezokuguza amaju ga cooperative niyemwe agakushangwa mu Kigorobya Town Council.
Itaka eryo kizokere bakalitunda. They are about to sell this house. Abantu hakaire bagamba bitu bya YouTube wetera no habwa kutundu without knowledge of these people.
Jackson Wabyona hamwe na Julius Kahwa abagiro mu bigere by'abazire babo bagira ngu hariho ba mafia bagira mu kigombe eki ahabwe bigenderwa byabo nk'abantu.
Block when an investor colluded or met with some people who could be members or beneficiaries, or who could be like us, sons or grandsons or daughters of our fathers, and they decided to appoint themselves as leaders of the cooperative society. And we saw machines opening up the land, chasing people, and today it is sugarcane. So people got concerned, what's going on? We asked, we were told, there is someone called Pantaleo. Personally, I was told there is someone called Deriab to Amkab. So I drove, went to him and asked what's happening. Yeah, that land is there. We are trying to revive. We want to lease it out. Others are saying we should sell.
Mark Baguma ori omuhandiki w'akakiiko ka vetting committee yagira ngu aba abebembirwe Patareyo Kasaija batwine bakoragana nabo mu government okuhindura buri kimwe kyona.
He has come in a kangaroo style, chased members and allowed members who have included their sons, grandchildren and their wives, whom they have decided to call members. The new members are here. They have been denied their rights to vote.
Bamwe omba members b'ekibiina eki bashaba gavumenti okutaho mu nshonga zaabo.
The legislature told us that to be a member, to renew your membership, you must pay 1,000 and 20,000. But now I left out without voting, and while I was elected by a voting committee, I want those people to pay me back my money.
Omuringo ngugumwe Patareyo Kasaija orukurura cooperative society egi yagira ngu abo bakutaho okwetomboita tibari ba memba.
Iwo no yeba memba bayinga ha abanyakuri mutana growers muno abalesera acquisition.
So that's why we are here to hear from you, sir.
Those are non-members, sorry.
Kandi we ori omujwekero wa president omu Hoima hagambire Sky TV ngo hahwire hakanya kingi harikutaho mu nshonga ezi.
First of all, you cannot say that you want to elect a vetting committee and then other members are complaining that you've left them out. Because as you can see, most of the members, most of the people that are training to be members, they've been left out. So there are a lot of issues that we need to sort in this cooperative in order to create transparency.
Gasha kwa gada saba abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.